If you want to make 2023 the best pivotal year ever, you need to make one sacrifice right now. The sacrifice that you need to make is your comfort. It is always your comfort that keeps you in place. It is always your comfort that keeps you from achieving greatness and achieving the next step, the next pivotal chapter in your life. Guys, enough is enough. It is time for you to step out of your comfort zone, whether it being at your mom's house, your mom's basement, or living in that crappy apartment with your girlfriend or your boyfriend. It's time to make a change and go after what you want. Guys, if I never got out of my comfort zone, I'd be living at my mom's house, or worse, at my in-laws' in-law, downstairs in a room that is no bigger than my studio now, driving the same Honda Accord. But I took the leap. I got into a sales position. Although I hated making cold call, although I hated meeting new people and being vulnerable at a young age, talking to older people to try to convince them to sell their home with me. But guess what? You overcome, you grow. And the only way you grow is if you step out of where you are and put yourself in a position to succeed. You see, the problem is that most people try to stay and do the same damn thing year after year and expect new results. Einstein said it. That's insanity. So stop. And I'm telling you this not to put you down, but to raise you up. Because at the end of the day, we can help more people if we help ourselves first, if we get out of the comfort zone, if we continue to push the boundaries and grow and become that person you dream to become. So let's talk about you and where you are. What do you want to do? Is there a job that you want to take that's paying a little bit less but has the opportunity to take you to the next level? Are you a single person and you want to go out there and talk to that beautiful woman? A woman that's going to be able to hold you down, learn with you, grow with you, raise a family, and push you to become the better you? Is there an opportunity that you have been thinking about but just can't pull the trigger because you're scared? But let me tell you something. That fear, that uncertainty is the difference between whether or not you grow or you don't. And here's the cool part. Even if you fail, you will learn. And learning is a form of winning. And when you win, you tell your subconscious mind back here that you are destined for greatness. So are you with me? Are you willing to make 2023 the year that changes it all? The year when you look back and your grandchildren ask you, hey grandpa, what was your pivotal year? And you can say 2023 was the year. 2023 was the year I stood up and I made a difference. That I took my life and I took a chance on myself. I took an opportunity to grow. I took the opportunity to become uncomfortable so that I could become the person I am 20 years from now. That person that I look up to. That person that's making a difference in life. Choice is yours, guys. Let's make 2023 one hell of a freaking year. I'm pumped for you. Guys, comment down below what you guys are willing to do in 2023 to make it your pivotal year. Let's go. Like and follow. Peace.